Welcome to TutorialsArena's Rapid Fire MCQ Challenge. Get ready to ignite your knowledge in data science and AI. Brain-tickling questions are coming your way, fast and furious. Let's level up your skills, right here, right now. What is a decorator in Python? The correct option is option C, a function modifier. Decorators are functions that take another function as input and return a modified version. What will the output of this expression? The correct option is option A, 0, 1, 4. This is a list comprehension that squares each number from 0 to 2. What does a list comprehension return? The correct option is option C, list. List comprehensions return a new list built from an iterable. How can you use list comprehension with conditionals? The correct option is option A, x for x in list if x greater than 0. You can include an if condition inside a list comprehension to filter elements. Which error type is raised when an index is out of range? The correct option is option B, index error. Accessing a list or string beyond its valid index raises an index error. What does raise keyword do in error handling? The correct option is option C, create custom exception. The raise keyword is used to trigger an exception manually. Alright folks, hope you enjoyed that rapid fire MCQ session on TutorialsArena. Keep practicing those concepts. If you found it helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more data science and AI goodness. Questions or suggestions? Drop them below. Check the description for more resources at tutorialsarena.com. Thanks for tuning in, and keep learning. See you next time.